If you got a business, that you didn't build that. Somebody else made that happen.
What do you want me to tell Romney? I can't tell him to do that. Can't do that to himself.
I'm sorry, Jim. I'm going to stop the subsidy to PBS. I'm going to stop other things. I like PBS. I love Big Bird.
This is a bunch of stuff. Look, here's the deal.
What does that mean, a bunch of stuff?
Well, it means it's simply inaccurate.
It's Irish.
Exactly, it is. We Irish call it malarkey.
Thanks for the translation.
No, we
Okay.
Irish call it malarkey.
I went to a number of women's groups and said, can you help us find folks? And they brought us whole binders full of women.
You mentioned the Navy, for example, and that we have fewer ships than we did in 1916. Well, Governor, we also have fewer horses and bayonets.